Hi guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a fat quarter shop box, and it's kind of heavy, so I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Now, I will say I was kind of shocked at how heavy this box was. I was not expecting it to be quite this heavy, but I guess it kind of makes sense. And don't worry, I am not using fabric scissors. Some of you guys were a little bit concerned that I might use the new Kai scissors for opening boxes. Don't worry, I'm not that kind of girl. Fabric scissors are only for fabric. All right. Woo. All right. Paper. And our invoice. Ooh. Okay. We'll jump right into fabric. Don't worry, I've got some fabric to save for the end too. But first, we're going to jump in with this. I got this really beautiful panel. And I think this was just on the sidebar as a recommendation. I don't think that this wasn't even something I looked up, but when I saw it, it jumped right out at me. It says, "Gather friends like wildflowers." Took me a minute to be able to see through that and read it. "Consider this a hug from me to you." It's got this adorable strawberry spot in the middle. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. It's got little ladybugs and a hummingbird, and oh, now you can see why I had to get it, right? Find joy in the... Okay, I can't read that through the backwards. Ordinary. Find joy in the ordinary. And please don't bug this lady. It's so sassy. All right. I thought that was beautiful. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use these panels for. I've got several panels now, and I have not used any of them. So I don't know. I had thoughts of using them for project bags, like the inside background of a project bag, or maybe the outside back of a project bag. And of course, you know, there's pillows that you could make, but let me know if you've got any other ideas for that. And then this is just an absolutely beautiful cut of Art Gallery. And it is Hyper Nature by Pat Bravo, and made for Art Gallery. It is so beautiful. It's like this peachy pink color, and then all of the flowers on it are kind of like an eggshell kind of color. Very pretty. And I got a big old honkin' amount of that. I think I got like, I don't know, I think it was like 4 yards. I figured either I'm going to use it for a backing of a quilt, or I'm going to use it for a nightgown, because I feel like that fabric would be really, really luxurious for a nightgown. And that's what you need when you're going to bed, is luxurious, right? All right, we got a stack of goodies. So I got this right at the end of last month, and they had a bunch of stuff on sale. So I got this Prim and Proper. This is for the quilt, and I think this is Lori Holt. Yes, it says Lori Holt at the bottom. And I know that it's for making this quilt, but then it also had multiple other quilts that you can make inside it. And so it's probably mostly from like the motifs that are made in this quilt. Like you can reorganize them into a different quilt. Like this one for a table runner. That's really pretty. Let's see if I can find some others in here. there is another table runner, but try not to get into any trouble by sharing cutting instructions. That one's beautiful. I like the little X's. And got this one. And I don't know if it tells you, I guess this one's supposed to be a bed runner, or you could use it to make like the little pillows on there. Of course, you can always use that to make a full-size quilt too. You don't have to just make it small like a table runner or bed runner. So I thought that was a cute little book, and normally it's like $25, and I think I got it. Let me see. I'll check my invoice for you. I got it for $9, so $9.39, marked down from $25. I think that is pretty good. So of course I snagged that. Now this one I've had my eyeballs on for almost a year now. It probably has been about a year because I just love this. You know I love Fig Tree though, so I'm sure that has something to do with it. But there was a quilt in here that I fell in love with, and I'm trying to find it. I mean, the quilt on the cover is gorgeous, but I was pretty sure there were these ones with houses that was really cute, and I liked that a lot. And now I'm not seeing it in here. I'm sure I'll come across it, but it is super cute and tells you how to make that, and then other quilts I think too. So just like the Lori Holt one, you can kind of rearrange the stuff. Each of these sampler designs, because that's essentially what it is this is a sampler quilt that's made with one of each of the blocks that they have in this book. And then you can do a quilt with just that block. Just pick one of the blocks, or, you know, make your own sampler too. But that one was another one that, you know, I'd had my eye on it for a long time, and it ended up being on sale. Yeah, $9.99 for that, down from almost $30. It's $27.95. When I saw that, I had to snag it because I was very tempted to get that last year when it had gone on sale for $20, and I ended up not getting it and then kind of kicking myself because I wanted it. And I got another cross stitch pattern. It is Flea Market Flowers by Lori Holt, and oh my gosh, I love those flowers. It is so cute. This is definitely one that when I finish it will go in my sewing room. I will definitely need to hang it up in there. Wouldn't that be beautiful with, you know, framed obviously, but with like a pink mat? I think that'd be really pretty with a pink mat. Light pink mat, like baby pink. That would be beautiful, especially if it was a double mat where it was like light pink and white. Ooh. Oh, and then a gold frame. Oh my gosh, that would look really cool, wouldn't it? A gold frame, light pink mat, and then that inside. Or if you couldn't get the gold frame, then maybe a light pink mat and then a white frame around it. That could work too. That would be really pretty. Ideas. See, it's good that I can tell you guys about this stuff, because then later on, like a year from now, when I actually have that finished and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to frame it, I can be like, I think I mentioned that in a video, and I can go back and find it and figure out how I'm supposed to frame it. What was my fantastic idea? There it is. And last but definitely not least, I saved the best for last, guys. This is a layer cake that I'm not sure how to get into. It is Ruby Star Society, and It is called Backyard by Sarah Watts. And you know, I love Sarah Watts. She's got some fantastic fabrics. All right. Oh, ooh, that was loud. Don't really want to unroll this layer cake, but can I show it to you without doing that? I don't know. Yeah, maybe if I do it like this. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this is adequate to show the layer cake? Or would you rather me open things up and show it to you all the way? Oh my gosh. I don't even remember this fabric in there, but it's already my favorite. I love it. Ah, the little raspberries and the cardinal ones. Oh, that pink and red. I love it. Oh, I like the kitty cats and the giant flowers too. Okay. Uh-oh. This, I'm already loving everything in this layer cake. I'm so excited for it. I had seen this advertised before it came out, this line. And now it's been out for a while, but I'll hold that one upside down so you can see the little bunnies right side up. We have so many bunnies around our neighborhood. We go for a bike ride every day and we pass by bunnies all the time. So we'll be going down the street and I'll be like, hi, bunny. I do. I talk to animals just as often as we pass by people and I say hi to people as we're passing them by. I say hi to the animals and I say hi to their dogs when they've got dogs with them. I'm one of those people. That's me. I talk to animals. That is pretty. I like that a lot. Ooh, such a vibrant color. Oh, another very vibrant. Just make sure that that's okay. Yeah, those two were the same, but this one is not. This one is butterflies. And chickens! There's chickens. Oh, I like the pink on the black background. How fun is that? And ooh, there's that cardinal with the raspberries again. Very cool. And this one you saw already, it was that vibrant pink, but it has like little flowers, but it's tone on tone here. So it's white on white and it's kind of hard to see, but hopefully you guys could see that. We've got, I'm skipping over the doubles in case you're wondering, like I'm not skipping over any to show you. I'm just trying to get past the doubles. This is like wood on a tree. So I guess it would be more like that direction. That's pretty cool. Oh, I like this. Look at those colors together. I just love all of the colors in this bundle. This is just such a beautiful color palette. It's so bright and vibrant. It's very summery, I would say. But of course, you could use it all year round. And really, it's those pinks and reds that make it look summery. So if you pulled out the pinks and the reds, you could make this a winter quilt even. Isn't that funny how just pulling out one of the colors, you can kind of flip it to the complete opposite side of the year? Okay, this has butterflies on it. Yeah, you can see that pretty good. All right. I wasn't sure if you'd be able to see it that well, but I think so. Got more chickens. And oh, this is that one that we saw earlier that was a tone on tone where it's like white on white. That's what it actually looks like. And there's a double of it. Here's some more bunnies. I don't know, maybe those are hares. Do you think they're hares instead of bunnies? I know there is a difference. Like the hairs seem to be more stretched out. They're stretched out bunnies. There is a tone on tone of the wood print one, that bark one. And bunnies. We got more of those butterflies and kitty cats. There's the kitty cats. I love them. They're so funny with those great big giant flowers. They're like climbing on the vines. It's very funny. More wood print. I think that wood print is actually a really great blender. It helps give the eye a chance to rest in a quilt, but it's also interesting too. So, chickens. Oh, yay, we got more of the raspberries and cardinals. I love that one. I do. I like this colorway of it too, but definitely the red and the pink colorway was my favorite. That one's pretty too. Let's see what else we got. This one. Ooh, that's pretty in that colorway. Very nice. Complements itself well. That's a double. And then this last one is a double, so I'll just show you that. Right there. Very pretty. It's like the main focal print of the bundle of the line. That is lovely. And again, that one is called Backyard by Sarah Watts from Ruby Star Society. And that was also on sale. I think this was the deal of the day. It was $22, so that was a steal. All right, guys, that's everything that I got. I'm going to link Fat Quarter Shop down below. Don't forget, I am an affiliate, and it does help me out whenever you use my link. So I appreciate that. Thank you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys again next time. I do all kinds of unboxings here, so if you enjoyed this, you will enjoy lots of my other content. I also do tutorials and other things like that as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.